a blowout again, and I feel I'm in the right space. I have the right amount of air. Your acid base value in your blood system is correct. Your balance, the pH balance is correct. You feel this is the time, this is right, you're ready, and of course you're dedicated to go. You cannot keep stopping yourself. So it's very cold. You get almost a shock in your brain and your heart when you go under the ice, because I'm bald, and according to Guinness World Records, you're not allowed to wear a swim cap.
Wow.
So it means a big difference, like a lot of hair like you guys.
Yeah.
I don't have a full head of hair, so it's an even bigger exposure.
Yeah.
But it also turns on the vagus nerve and the diving reflex, and the trigeminal nerve especially, here from the forehead and your lips and your nose, which is also why you blow on children if they don't breathe when they come out. That's a simple thing that the midwives do. So anyway, I breathe in, I breathe out the last time, and I really exhale everything. Then I breathe in 3 steps. Belly, soft transition to the diaphragm. Expand the whole chest, and then I breathe into the clavicular bones. You can even access the axillary muscles here in your neck. And then I pack with my tongue, like eating air.
Jesus, what the
I always do this, and it's dangerous to exhale this fast. I get a bit lightheaded now.
Yeah, I can understand.
The point is, you can grow your lung volume. You can have more air in there, and you can absolutely learn to have a better lung function in everyday life, meaning also when you sleep.
Yeah.
Because it becomes a natural path or natural rhythm and pattern that you also sleep and breathe deeply, and you're more rested when you wake up.
Yeah.
Also, you need less sleep, 1 to 2 hours less if you do healthy lifestyle, yoga, breathing, and can shut down the chit chatter in your mind and all this.
Yeah, that's a big.
Have a good night's rest. You can sleep for 5-6 hours. You wake up like a baby.
You see, that's the other thing, is that this method is crucial now, because you have so much information, and if you let all of it affect you, like you just say, what you do when you breathe is that you make sure that the environment does not affect you. Well, if you train that by breathing, you're also training your mind to not let everything that you read online, everything that you listen to, all of the negative comments or all of that stuff affect you the same way as you don't let the hormones or, smells and stuff like that.
You're just getting control over your nervous system.
It's a lifestyle. It's a thing that you need now in order to be sane in this world. Otherwise, you're going to be bombarded.
But it's also what they invented in yoga. Of course, having been to Rishikesh and China, and you're very experienced in this world. But that is the highest step of yoga, is the pratyahara, and then samadhi. It's the highest steps are the becoming one with the prana, with the chi, with the ki, with the universe, with nature.
Yeah.
To put it in a normal language, becoming one with nature.
Yeah.
Knowing that you're no more than nature and a frog, a flower, but you will also, tap into the power of nature. And that is where intuition and this strength, this primal strength comes. And why they use the root chakras and all this primal energy, and then you become more and more a human, you become more and more developed. Heart chakra, you have heart and love, compassion, like the Dalai Lama is talking about a lot, right? He's spreading this message from the Buddhism of compassion and tolerance, regardless of gender, sex, religion, whatever political orientation. And then you go higher and higher, and you come to the 1,000 lotus pellet. So the 1,000 pellet lotus, the nirvana, it's also called the highest state in yoga, which is liberation.
Yeah.
Going back to the PTSD liberation, right? You're liberating yourself from any trauma, from any guilt, from any wrong speaking, like negative self-talk, like the monkey mind, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy. All this that everyone, including myself, of course, have to deal with. Yeah. Am I good enough? Am I smart enough? And forgiveness, a big one.
Forgive yourself. Forgive everyone else.
Or forgiving others.
Yeah. Right.
So they already figured it out a long time ago. The highest steps, the most difficult steps, are the meditational steps / spiritual steps. So after pranayama, the last 4 steps are more about mind and spirituality. So that is what we need to come back to. We just need, and I've had a lot of people in India, some praising me as incredible. I've never seen anything explained in such a brilliant, simple way. And I have other people attacking me like, you're stealing from India. It's our heritage.
Yeah.
Why are you doing it to us? Why India? We invented it in India. You cannot take from us.
Yeah.
But I'm not stealing anything. And if they read the damn book, which of course the stupid naysayers and keyboard warriors never do, they don't read the material or the topic.